What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Ticker Feed video and welcome to the Ticker Feed family. I hope y'all had a great day today, and again, I always appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video. So the ticker that we're going to be talking about today is ticker AABB, and the company is Asia Broadband. And so what we're going to be talking about specifically is how they went live today with sales of gold-backed cryptocurrency. And then after that, we'll finish off with a chart analysis and a price prediction. As always, guys, welcome to the Ticker Feed family. For those that don't know anything about Asia Broadband, I'm just going to mention a quick summary of the company. So basically what they are is a resource company focused on the production, supply, and sale of precious and base metals primarily to the Asian markets. Now, the company utilizes its specific geographic expertise, experience, and extensive industry contacts to facilitate its innovative distribution process from the production and supply of precious and base metals in Mexico to client sales networks in Asia. Now, they say this vertical integration approach to sales transaction is unique strength of AABB, the difference between the company, and creates distinctive value for the shareholders. So that's just a quick little summary. Now, the company has recently released its freshly minted mine-to-token gold-backed cryptocurrency, which is what we're going to talk about. So let's go ahead and get started. So for Asia Broadband, in order to purchase tokens, AABB wallet users must update the app or download to install the latest version of the app and pass the Know Your Client KYC process. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, with this new version of this wallet, the token will only be available for purchase in exchange for other major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, right? So keep that in mind as well, guys, because that's something to think about. Now, therefore, purchasers will need to hold existing cryptocurrency in any third-party wallets such as Coinbase or Binance. Purchasers will then deposit cryptocurrency from the third-party wallet into their AABB wallet to exchange and purchase the AABB gold token for the current 0.1 gram gold price, right? So that's approximately $5.60 USD, plus a small transaction fee. Now, support for users of the AABB wallet is available on their website, right? goldtoken.com, and the email of aabbwallet@gmail.com. So I want to keep you in mind for all these things, guys, because it's a little bit of these really detailed information that it's easily to forget. So I just wanted to state these things. Now, the initial token release is backed by $30 million in physical gold. Now, this company currently holds, right? So at today's market price of gold, the initial token release available for purchase is 5.4 million tokens at 1/10 or 0.1 gram of gold. So that's the price approximately, again, at $5.60 for each AABBG token. Now, the token price is tied to and supported by the company at the market price of a gold at a minimum. So as the price of gold fluctuates, the minimum support price of the token will increase or decrease, but the potential upside price of the token will be driven by market demand. So again, something to note, right? So what's going on with the gold? That means you might want to check the charts and see what the stock has to say with gold, and just what what the demand is for that. So the AABB gold token is backed 100% by physical gold held by the company, and additional releases of the token will continue to be backed 100% by additional physical gold acquired from future mining production, gold purchased from cash reserves, or credit, right? Now, the launch version of the AABB wallet will allow purchasers to transfer those tokens to others that also have the wallet, but tokens will not initially be exchangeable with the wallet for other cryptocurrencies. So this inaugural version wallet will allow the company to increase token circulation and accumulate revenues to be utilized for the support and stabilization of the token price when it is freely exchangeable in the open market. It's a lot of information. Let's keep going. Now, the company is currently developing with CSHC, its own proprietary cryptocurrency exchange, that will allow wallet users to quickly exchange those gold tokens for major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Now, AABB embraces a pioneering philosophy with its truly unique mine-to-token vertical integration operational approach that strives towards complete independence from fiat currency. So I hope that kind of helps explain or have a better understanding of exactly what you need to do and some of the notes that you might want to keep in mind in the long term. Now, AABB's primary goal for the token is to become a worldwide standard of exchange that is secured and trusted with gold backing. So by progressively expanding token circulation, targeting large population and high growth markets globally, including China and East Asia as well. Now, the company is collaborating with CSHC to roll out an international marketing campaign with the AABB Gold Token, or AABB wallet, and development at the corporate brand. Now, the marketing efforts are aimed to proliferate brand exposure and reputation, increase the use of AABB Gold Token and the wallet, and amplify general public and investment community awareness of the company. So basically, they want to be able to market it and get it out there. So hopefully you wrote some of this stuff down, and I hope this added some value. Let's go ahead and finish off with a chart analysis. And so for those that's still learning the anatomy of a candlestick, there's three basic features that you want to think about, okay? So that's going to be the body, the wick, and the color. So the body indicates the open to close range. Now the wicks themselves are called tails or shadows, which are the long thin lines above and below the main body. Now these reveal the intraday highs and the lows. Now with the colors, most people know, right? So with the green, it shows price increase. With the red, it indicates the price is decrease. Now the way it works is when you're looking at the body, what that means, especially when it's green, it means that what it opened at, it closed higher than what it opened at. And then when it's red, it means it closed lower than what it opened at, right? So when you're looking at this chart itself, right, let's expand this. You're going to see the green and the wicks, right? So this is what I'm talking about here. So here's the body and here's the wick, right? So you've got it above and below. So clearly it closed in the red today, right? So it opened up at, let's see, you're looking at 0.5995, and then it closed at 0.3540, right? So hopefully that makes sense. But if you actually look down below on the chart itself, you're going to see the volume, right? So over to the bottom left, you'll see, for example, on today, it had a volume of 255,149,140, right? So keep that in mind. So you want to look at the body, you want to look at the wick, and you want to look at the candle. Now also, when you're looking at the chart itself, it's all about the support and the resistance, and that's going to be coming with the volume. So with the volume, you're thinking of buys or sells, but actually the volume is the combination of both. So currently, I say the trend line is still at a resistance. It hasn't had enough support yet to get a new resistance. But with that in mind, when more news comes out and they continue to develop new technology and they continue to market and bring more customers in, I feel like we'll have a new resistance, which then will increase that price. So currently, you can see that it's continuing to flow around the same area, and that's fine. That's not a big deal, especially with what's been going on with the market with the correction, right? So you want to keep that in mind. Now you can see a little bit of red, a little bit of green. That's again not that big of a deal, but I think it might kind of get a little bit higher. I would say maybe 0.6, 0.7, depending on the news that we get here later in the future. So we'll just have to take it from there and see if the volume continues to increase, because the volume, that makes a big difference. I mean, the more volume you have, that means things are moving around, but it's still at that 0.354. And so for me, I'm thinking maybe it'll hit up to the 0.545, maybe eventually 0.6. We'll just have to see. But guys, I'm thinking hopefully 0.6, 0.7, maybe in I'd say about 2 months once this correction takes place. But guys, I really do appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video. It means a lot, and I have a real passion for this. So let me know if you're thinking of buying this stock or if you own it or whatever the case is. But as always, guys, welcome to the Ticker Feed family.